Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about. How to get that perfectly smooth, calm skin after a Brazilian wax. If you've ever struggled with redness, bumps, or irritation, you're going to want to stick around because I'm sharing the ultimate guide to post-wax aftercare that completely transformed my experience. Let's get started. So, you just walked out of your waxing appointment feeling super smooth, but within hours, the dreaded irritation starts to creep in. The little red bumps, the itchiness, the discomfort. It's the worst, right? You might think it's just your sensitive skin, or maybe the wax itself was too harsh. But what if I told you the secret to avoiding all of that isn't about the wax at all? It's all about what you do immediately after. For years, I thought I was doomed to have irritated skin post-wax. I tried everything, different types of wax, different salons. I even tried icing the area, which only gave temporary relief. I bought so many soothing products that ended up making things worse. It was so frustrating, and I almost gave up on waxing altogether. But then, I learned that the real magic happens in the aftercare. It's not just one thing, but a series of simple, gentle steps that protect your newly sensitive skin and help it heal beautifully. Once I started following a proper aftercare routine, it was a total game changer. My skin was calm, smooth, and bump-free for the first time ever. It's not some complicated secret. It's just a few key habits that most people overlook. So, grab a notebook, because I am about to break down the 5 essential aftercare steps that will make your next Brazilian wax a completely different and much happier experience. First up, and this is the most crucial step, apply a specialized soothing cream immediately after your wax. Your skin is open and vulnerable, so you need something that's specifically designed to calm inflammation. Look for ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, or calendula. A thin layer is all you need to create a protective barrier and start the healing process right away. Avoid anything with heavy fragrances, alcohols, or harsh chemicals, as these can seriously irritate your pores. This one step can make the biggest difference in preventing those initial red bumps. Step 2. For the next 24 to 48 hours, live in loose, breathable clothing. I'm talking cotton underwear, flowy pants, or skirts. Tight clothes, especially synthetic fabrics like spandex or nylon, trap heat and moisture, which is the perfect environment for bacteria to grow. This friction and lack of airflow is a major cause of irritation and ingrown hairs. Give your skin the space it needs to breathe and recover. Think of it as a little vacation for your skin. It's a simple switch, but it pays off big time. Our third tip is to avoid heat and moisture for at least 24 hours. That means no hot baths, no steamy showers, no saunas, and no intense workouts that make you sweat. Hot water and steam will only increase inflammation and can introduce bacteria into your open follicles. Stick to a quick, lukewarm shower and gently pat the area dry with a clean towel. I know a hot bath can be tempting, but trust me, your skin will thank you for waiting a day or two. Step 4 is all about hydration, both inside and out. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your skin heal from within. Healthy, hydrated skin is more resilient and less prone to irritation. On the outside, continue to apply your gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer daily. Keeping the skin hydrated and supple is key to preventing dryness and flaking, as the hair starts to grow back, which in turn helps prevent ingrown hairs. And finally, step number 5, gentle exfoliation, but only after waiting at least 48 to 72 hours. Your skin needs time to heal first. Exfoliating too soon will just cause more irritation. After a couple of days, start using a mild chemical exfoliant with ingredients like salicylic or glycolic acid a few times a week. This helps to remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and trap new hairs, which is the main cause of those pesky ingrowns. A gentle scrub can also work, But be very careful not to overdo it. The goal is to keep the skin clear, not to scrub it raw. So there you have it, the 5 pillars of perfect post-wax aftercare. It's not about finding a magic product, but about creating a simple, consistent routine. Calm the skin immediately, let it breathe, keep it cool and dry, hydrate from all angles, and exfoliate gently after it's had time to heal. This is why it works. You're addressing the root causes of irritation, inflammation, friction, bacteria, and clogged pores, instead of just reacting to the symptoms after they appear. Now, let's move on to another huge topic: moisturizer, especially for those of us over 40. You might feel like your skin is constantly thirsty, no matter how much cream you slather on. You see that dry, lackluster look in the mirror, and you might think it's just an inevitable part of aging. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not your age. And it's probably not your expensive moisturizer either. The real problem is often in how you're applying it. I used to be so confused, buying all these fancy creams and serums, but my skin still felt tight and dry. I felt like I was just wasting money. It wasn't until I learned about the proper layering technique that everything clicked. My skin started to actually absorb the products and looked plump and hydrated for the first time in years. It's all about the order. Here's the routine that will make your skin drink in that moisture. First, always start with a clean canvas. Use a gentle, non-stripping cleanser to wash your face. Second, apply a toner or a hydrating mist. This step is crucial because it preps your skin by dampening it, making it much more receptive to whatever you apply next. Think of your skin like a sponge. A damp sponge absorbs water much better than a dry one. Third, this is where the serum comes in. Serums have smaller molecules that penetrate deeper into the skin to deliver concentrated active ingredients. Apply your serum before your moisturizer. Fourth, now it's time to lock it all in with your moisturizer. The cream has larger molecules that create a barrier on the skin's surface, sealing in the serum and preventing moisture loss. And the final, non-negotiable step: sunscreen every single morning. This protects your hydrated skin from sun damage, which is the #1 cause of premature aging and dryness. By following this order, you're ensuring each product does its job effectively. Now my skin drinks it all in and feels amazing all day. And finally, let's do a quick recap on fast relief for any kind of post-wax irritation, whether it's your legs, underarms, or anywhere else. If you're seeing red bumps, don't panic. First, apply a cold compress for about 10 minutes. This will instantly help reduce redness and inflammation. Second, follow up with a fragrance-free, soothing balm or a product with hydrocortisone to calm the skin. Third, avoid tight clothing for 24 hours. Fourth, skip all exfoliation for at least 2 to 3 days. And fifth, stay hydrated inside and out. It's simple but so effective. These quick tips can be a lifesaver when you need immediate relief. I really hope these tips help you achieve the smooth, happy skin you deserve after waxing, and help you get the most out of your skincare. It's all about working with your skin, not against it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you soon.